In this tutorial, we'll learn about AWS Amplify for web hosting, a powerful service provided by Amazon Web Services that makes it easy to deploy, host, and manage modern web applications. Step 1. Create a zip file of your website. Before uploading your project to AWS Amplify, you need to package your website files into a zip folder. Let's create a zip file for an Angular application. First, we need to create a new Angular project using the Angular CLI. Type ng new Angular app. Which style sheet system would you like to use? Choose CSS. Do you want to enable server-side rendering and static site generation? Choose No. Which AI tools do you want to configure with Angular best practices? Choose None. Once everything is configured, the Angular CLI will create a new project folder with all the necessary files and dependencies for your application. The ngserve command will start a local development server and run your Angular application in the browser. Open your browser and navigate to http://localhost:4200/ to view your running Angular application. Then, run the following command to build your Angular application, ngbuild. This will compile your project and generate a dist folder containing all the files needed for deployment. After building your Angular project, navigate to the build output folder by running cd list Angular app browser. Open this folder in your File Explorer to confirm it contains all the compiled files, such as index.html, main.js, styles CSS, and other assets. These are the files that will run in the browser. Next, select all the files inside the folder and compress them into a zip file using ziparchive.zip. Step 2. Deploy your app using AWS Amplify. Sign into the Amazon Web Services Management Console and navigate to AWS Amplify. Click Deploy an app. In Start Building with Amplify page, scroll down to Deploy without Git, which will manually deploy an app from Amazon S3 or a zip file. In AWS Amplify, start a manual deployment by entering your app details. Set the app name to Angular app and the branch name to dev. For the deployment method, select drag and drop, then upload the archive.zip file you created earlier. Amplify will automatically process the zip, deploy your Angular application, and provide a live URL where you can access your app. During this process, Amplify sets up a secure hosting environment. Once the deployment is complete, you can open the provided URL in your browser